Presenting the Realme Narzo 50. It comes in color options of Speed Blue and Speed Black. The phone has display of 6.6 inch. The phone also has 120Hz high refresh rate, adaptive refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling. It has 50MP plus 2MP plus 2MP 16MP front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh battery. It has 6GB RAM and expandable up to 256GB. 128GB ROM and expandable memory up to 256GB. It is powered by up to 2.05 GHz clock speed and MediaTek Helio G96 octa-core processor. It also features 50MP AI triple camera, 120Hz ultra smooth display. The delivery box contains an adapter. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.